Hey there, amazing followers of Learn English on YouTube. It's Jessica, your language learning companion, and I've got some exciting news for you. We've been on an incredible journey together, exploring the vast world of the English language on our YouTube channel. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end there. I've created a space just for you on Telegram, a hub of exclusive content and fantastic perks. I invite each and every one of you to join our Telegram channel. Why? Because it's not just a channel, it's a community of language enthusiasts like you, eager to dive deeper into the English language, wondering what's in it for you. Well, on our Telegram channel, you'll find a treasure trove of audio files, the complete collection of our language lessons. And the best part? It's super easy to download. Now, you might be wondering, why Telegram? Simple. It's a one-stop destination for seamless access to our audio files. No more hunting around. Everything you need is neatly organized right there, and the convenience doesn't stop there. Telegram offers a user-friendly interface, making the download process a breeze. Imagine having your language lessons at your fingertips, ready to accompany you wherever you go. But wait! There's more. Our Telegram community isn't just about downloads. It's a dynamic space where we'll share exclusive insights, bonus content, and maybe even some surprise live sessions. I want this Telegram channel to be a place where we connect on a deeper level, where your language journey becomes not just mine, but ours. Joining is as easy as learning your first English word. Click the link in the description below. And voila! You're part of the exclusive Telegram family. So what are you waiting for? Join us on Telegram, and let's take our language adventure to new heights together. This is Jessica, signing off from our YouTube channel and welcoming you to the exciting world of Coffee Break English Podcast on Telegram. See you there!